What are the storage rules for Psoriasis Biologics? Have you ever wondered how to properly store biologics for psoriasis? It's crucial to handle these medications with care to ensure they work effectively. Biologic medications must be stored in a refrigerator at a temperature between 2 degrees Celsius and 8 degrees Celsius, which is about 35 degrees Fahrenheit to 46 degrees Fahrenheit. Freezing these medications is a big no-no, as it can damage their protein structure and reduce their effectiveness. When you take a biologic out of the fridge for use or travel, it can usually be kept at room temperature, but make sure it does not exceed 25 degrees Celsius or 77 degrees Fahrenheit. The time it can stay at room temperature varies depending on the specific medication. For instance, Stelara, which is also known as ustekinumab, can be kept out of the fridge for up to 30 days if it is stored in its original carton and protected from light. Once a biologic has been kept at room temperature, it should never be returned to the refrigerator. If you do not use it within the recommended time frame after removing it from refrigeration, it should be discarded. Additionally, avoid shaking the biologic vigorously, as this can also damage the medication. Maintaining the cold chain is vital. This means keeping the biologics continuously refrigerated from the time they are manufactured until they are administered. Studies indicate that many patients do not store their biologics within the recommended temperature range, which can impact the effectiveness of the medication. Therefore, it is essential to use proper refrigeration and transport methods, like insulated coolers with ice packs, when traveling to ensure the medication remains within the safe temperature range. To summarize, here are the key storage rules for psoriasis biologics. Store them in a refrigerator at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, never freeze them, and when taken out, keep them at room temperature below 25 degrees Celsius. Limit the time they are at room temperature according to the specific guidelines for each biologic, and do not return them to the refrigerator after exposure to room temperature. Protect them from light by keeping them in their original packaging, and avoid shaking the medication. Following these rules will help ensure that your biologic therapies remains stable and effective for managing psoriasis symptoms. Always consult your healthcare provider for specific storage instructions related to your prescribed biologic medication.